How to handle rejection. If you have faced rejection at any stage of your life, or you're going through a stage where you have faced rejection, it could be relationship, job, or any situation, then this video will help you out. So watch the video till the end. Shalom, my beautiful soul. I am Bithika. Welcome to my channel Divine Healing. If you're a subscriber watching this video, welcome back. And if you're watching me for the first time, lots of blessings and good vibes to you. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm sure either you want to learn about how to deal with rejection or you have faced rejection in our life. See, rejection is something that we all face in life. At any stage or some stage, we will face rejection. But when you know how to deal with it like a pro, then it will get easier for you to handle those phases of your life. So without any further ado, let's start. Number 1, take some time to process the feeling. Don't run away. Acknowledge the feeling. When we are rejected, our desires, hopes, it gets banished for some reason, right? We hope something, we wished something, or we have been in a relationship and then suddenly we face rejection. The first thing that we want to do is want to run away with the feeling, I cannot face this, or why did this happen to me? What was my fault? You just want to do something just to get away with it. When you don't process a feeling, the feeling gets scattered in your mind. And it will come as a trigger at different point of your life, because during the time of rejection, you already a scattered energy. Rejection gives you a scattered energy. Suddenly all your dreams crushes away. Suddenly a relationship that you have built for so long crushes away. The wisest thing that you can do is that process that feeling for some time. Acknowledge it. Okay, I have faced it. Okay, things was there, but now it's not. She or he was there, but now they're not there. Now, changing. A phase of my life is changing. I am moving forward, or something new is coming in my life. You must understand that not acknowledging the feeling will keep you scattered, keep you in the mode of hurt and resentment for a long period of time. When you process it, you give your mind a command that yes, something happened. An accident, like suddenly an accident happened. You said, okay, an accident happened. Now I have to go to hospital to do my checkups and all. Similarly, when rejection happens, you must process it. You must accept it. And then the next thing. Let's talk about point number 2. Focus on things that you already have right there in your life. Right there. List out 100 things that you have in life for which you're thankful. If you are facing rejection right now, if you have faced rejection before, or if you're not sure whether you will face rejection or not, the best thing is to acknowledge what we already have in life. When you face rejection, it's just one aspect of your life from where you're getting rejection. Other life aspects are still there. What we do, we don't recognize them. You face a rejection from your partner, okay? You're rejected or maybe cheated or whatever. You go to sleep, you have a house where you sleep, you eat, you have a job, okay? You have qualifications, you have good friends. Just imagine how many aspects of life you have still in your life. But what you are doing is you're focusing only one aspect of your life and you're feeling distressed and anxious. It will take time for you to heal, but that doesn't mean the world is falling apart, because you made that thing your world. Maybe the job, that career, that person. Now, even if you have the whole world, you thought that is my world, and now your world is crushing. So the thing that you need to do is make a list of 100 things that you already have in life and you're thankful about it, which includes that you're still alive and you're taking inhale, exhale, breathing. Number 3, if they don't see how amazing you are, they are actually not fit for you. You deserve something bigger, better. See, when you get rejected by somebody or something, that means something better is waiting for you. You don't need to fit in that situation. They didn't fit in your situation. And this is true. Your mind will tell you, no, there might be something in me only for which I got rejected. Your mind is your biggest enemy. If it is telling you like that there was some problem in me, that's why they rejected. No, there was no problem in you. The problem was in them because they couldn't fit in you. And you have better things reserved in your life, which you can't see because you're stuck in the rejection mode. Number 4, if you're facing rejection or if you've faced rejection and you feel sad about it, you feel hurtful, you feel like I'm a loser, in that case, work on your belief system and work on your self-concept. A rejection always gives you that area of your life where you can improve. If you're feeling like I'm not good enough or I was not good enough for which I was rejected, you have to improve your belief system. And belief system can be improved by self-concept improvement. When you build a self-concept about yourself, that you're worthy, you deserve all the best thing in life, and you actually practice all the skills that can make you deserving person. Practice those skills, learn those skills. If it is a personal relationship, if you have certain personality issue, work on those issues. Work on your self-concept. Because see, the moment you think like I am not worthy enough and for which I got rejected, it is a core reflection of your own belief system. That your belief system are not in its place. And when you don't believe that you're not good enough, how do you expect that others? If you believe that I am good enough, I am worthy, whatever be the situation, even if you face rejection, you will never feel bad. Why you know? Because you know your worth. You'll be like, things were not for me, I deserve something better. This should be your behavior. This should be your mindset when you get rejection. If you have a clear self-concept. Most of the time, because our self-concept is not clear, we struggle around this concept that maybe they rejected because I have some deficiency. And if you have deficiency, if you have those kind of things, if you feel like I'm not skillful enough for certain things, make yourself eligible. Make yourself work on that concept. Don't be lazy. Number 5. If you face rejection, there's a high chance that you will compare yourself with others. And this is a time when you will go into the black hole of depression and anxiety by comparing yourself others, because you got rejected, some others were not are taken, or maybe some other has been replaced by you. What you will do is you will start comparing yourself. So do not compare yourself with anyone if you face rejection. Rather than at that point of time, take care of your body, mind, soul, skills, self-concept, belief system. And you can do this by practicing self-compassion. The moment you feel like comparing yourself with somebody, for example, somebody got a job, you haven't, the first thing that you can do is you can actually practice self-compassion. Okay, maybe they have got because they are lucky enough, and maybe I need to make myself more capable, skillful, or something better is there for me. That is called self-compassion. You don't beat yourself. Most people, when they don't get something they desired or fail or rejected, they are they themselves treat them as somebody like an enemy, and their mind treat them as their own enemy, and they will beat them up, feel worthless, valueless. Where is this thoughts coming from? This is coming from your own mind. So you have your control that whether you want to feel that way or not, and you can actually replace those thoughts by practicing self-compassion, telling yourself that okay, fine, I have been rejected for some reason, but I am good enough, I am worthy, I'm valuable, and if there is anything fault in me, I will work out. I will not sit back and cry like a baby. Moving on to the last point, number 6, but before that, I would request you all, if you are finding this video valuable, do subscribe this channel. I post videos Monday to Friday. Some of the other content will surely help you out in your life journey, and you would love to binge watch my content because you will get that kind of value as well. So do subscribe. Now moving on to the last point, number 7. Every rejection is a protection. Every rejection is a projection towards something else, which is good for your higher self. Every time you're rejected in life, look back and you see what you have got after that. Something amazing, something valuable, some lessons that you have learned after that rejection. So every rejection is a projection. If you're rejected by a person you loved for so many years, that means you have been protected from something. If you have rejected from a job, if you've rejected from a college, maybe that place was not for you, or that place, if you start working on that place, maybe there were some difficulties, maybe there's some accidents or something that was destined, and you never know, I never know. But this is true that every rejection is a projection towards something else. Also, every rejection is a protection from something that you don't know, but your higher self know it. And that's how everything is orchestrated, synchronized in the universe. So that was today's video. I hope this video will be helpful if you're going through any rejection period. If you are facing any such situation, you can book a counseling therapy session with me. Details are given in the description. Do check it out. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.